So, I was hiking barefoot and I had started walking through a patch of grass, and in that patch of grass, it hurt. It was uncomfortable. And previously I'd been walking on rock and gravel and sand and like dead tree branches and decaying plant matter essentially. So, and it was comfortable. It never like bothered me. And when I was on, when I was basically, walking on like living plants, I had realized that in a way, and this isn't necessarily all-encompassing or a great wisdom, but in a way, a large part of the nature of life is abrasion. And it kind of made me realize that, how soft, like, freshly created soil is. And that's essentially death. So, if you kind of carry that, death is the softest thing that you'll ever experience. With that, there's I don't know. I feel like it brings a level of truth in a lot of areas. Like when you're really depressed, all you want is soft. The smallest of abrasions can just break you. Just all you want is, your soft bed, your soft blanket, and anything that is scratchy, you just develop such a huge resistance to. And I think in part that's just part of like the nature of craving death. And when you're around other people can be very abrasive, and very uncomfortable, very, very difficult to be around. But I feel like it's completely necessary. It's that abrasion that stimulates growth and new life. If you think about like most of the things in grass that are poking you, that are hurting you, they're all things either used to protect life or carry new life somewhere else so that it will have somewhere else to grow. And I don't know, I think that's like a really beautiful way to think about those small parts of life that are painful or that hurt you. They are there to manifest growth. So if you embrace that, if you allow that into your life, and don't look at it as a source of pain, but instead as something that'll cause you to be more than what you currently are, then I think that makes everything a lot easier. Well, that was it. That's all I had. Bye.